Imagine a headphone that doesn't just play music, it transports you. The Sennheiser HDB 630 isn't just another over-ear, it's an audio experience meticulously crafted for true high-resolution lovers. Wrapped in Japanese protein leatherette with plush ear cushions and a frame inspired by the iconic Momentum 4, these headphones are as comfortable as they are sleek. Every curve, every seam, designed for hours of listening without fatigue. With the Smart Control Plus app, you hold the power of sound in your hands. Tweak the parametric equalizer, balance left and right channels, or share your unique sound settings with friends. Every note, every beat, tuned to your personal preference. Block out the world with adaptive active noise cancellation, or switch to transparency mode to let conversations in without removing the headphones. Focus when you need to, stay connected when it matters. Bluetooth 5.2 gives you wireless freedom, while wired USB-C and 3.5mm connections are always ready. For phones lacking aptX adaptive, the included BDT700 USB-C transmitter dongle ensures high-fidelity audio. Supported codecs, aptX adaptive, aptX HD, aptX, AAC, and SBC. Note: no LDAC support. Expect crisp, dynamic sound with low latency performance as low as 80 milliseconds, streaming at 24-bit 96 kHz and up to 420 kilobits per second. Every detail in your music comes alive, whether it's classical, rock, or electronic. Up to 60 hours of listening on a single charge, and if you're in a hurry, 10 minutes of fast charging adds 7 hours. Enough power to keep you lost in sound for days on end. The Sennheiser HDB 630 is priced at $499.95, €499.90, available for pre-order from October 8th, with shipping starting October 21, 2025. Grab yours from the Sennheiser store or Amazon and step into a world of uncompromising sound. From precision drivers to premium comfort, the HDB 630 isn't just about listening, it's about experiencing your music like never before. Don't just hear it, feel it.